Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable claims submission with Blue Cross Blue Shield app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Blue Cross Blue Shield app on your mobile device. Log in using your member credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims section in the main menu. Look for the Submit a Claim option. Tap on Submit a Claim to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter details about your medical service. Fill in the required fields, including the provider's information and the date of service. If applicable, upload any supporting documents by selecting the Upload button. Make sure all information is accurate before proceeding. Review your claims summary to ensure everything is correct. After verifying the details, tap on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your claim has been submitted. Keep an eye on your app notifications for updates on your claim status. If you have any questions, refer to the FAQ section within the app. That's how you enable claims submission using the Blue Cross Blue Shield app. You're now ready to manage your claims efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.